of the goods. It is also one of the important policy is taken by the new foreign trade policy, and one is paperless work and documentations. And next, measures for the fast access of international markets. While we are exporting the goods, first we have to self-certify our goods. Our good is in a quality or not. We have to export the goods to other country. For this, only self-certify. Only after the self-certify, then only we can exchange our goods from one country to another country. It is also one of the measure. Next, introduction of EOU, EHTP, STP, BTP schemes. What are the EOU? EOU is nothing but export oriented units and electronic hardware technological park, EHTP, and software technological park, STP, and biotechnological park schemes. These schemes are introduced while encouraging the manufacturers and also the exporters, those who are producing the goods. For this encouragement only they are these schemes are introduced, and also it can improve our exports. Our next, introduction of Niryan Bandhu scheme. It is the mainly for encouragement of the skill India. Those who have the new skills in India, for that people the government has to give encouraged for this type of people. So they introduce Niryan Bandhu scheme. These are the measures at present current foreign trade policy has to be taken. Up to now we discuss current export and import policy and what are the objectives, and also the foreign trade policy settlement and measures announced in current foreign trade policy. Up to now we complete our third chapter. Let's see here once the syllabus paper. We complete importance and implementation and also the current export policy and import policy. We also discuss what are the measures, objectives also I explained, and we completed our first unit. Our first unit is, let's see here, foreign trade, meaning, definition, types, documentation, each and everything we explained in a very clear way. Next, balance of trade and balance of payments, introduction, meaning, components of balance of trade, balance of payments, concepts of equilibrium, causes, remedies for correcting balance of payments and international trade. And our third unit is Indian trade policy. What is importance and implementation, current export policy and import policy. I discussed each and everything in a very clear way. If anyone do not follow the previous videos, please kindly go through and watch the videos. If you have any doubt up to now, I want to repeat any concept, please text me. I definitely repeat. And please watch each and every video, then only you can understand, because each and every unit there is an interlink. So for watching all videos, then you can understand better way. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.